back with another video. Hey, I'm like super hyper right now and I don't even know why. Cause since you have nowhere to go, you're not doing anything but doing your hair. So why are you so excited? My hyperness level is probably gonna be a little bit up there right now because I'm just excited. I'm excited for what, sis? I don't even know, so don't ask me. Anyways, as y'all can tell, I need, ooh, got that Burt's Beast. Put it on these chappy hips, cause sis, they're dry, cracked, okay? Moisturize. Thank you. So y'all already know from the title of this video, I just got done blow drying my hair. Well, washing and blow drying my hair, sis. Right now, sorry if it's looking crazy, y'all. I try to make it look cute and swoop it to the side, but I know I look crazy, so shut up, leave me alone. Right now, I'm going to be attempting, and I say attempting, to do my own knotless braids. So I don't want nobody judging me, because if these come out crazy, sis, that's not my fault. But then I kept seeing that knotless braids are like being like a little bit popular and a lot of people like them, and so I was like, you know what, why don't I try to do it myself?
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna see how this video turns out. Sis, you know, my energy might be real low by the end of the day, because sometimes I be getting frustrated. But I'm gonna try my hardest not to be so freaking frustrated with my hair, because sometimes I get that way. So other than that, like, this is not a tutorial. That's why that is nowhere near in the title. So don't be asking for no close-ups. Don't be asking for, oh, can I see how you do it? Because sis, I'm only doing it the way that I've seen other YouTubers do it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I have. And let's wrap this video up, because I know that you guys are ready to see the ending result. Y'all don't really care about what I gotta say right now. So this is what I have. This expression hair. This one's in 2T1B and then 350. So at the bottom, you know, we got the little ombre going on down here with the little red at the bottom. I'm kind of excited for this hair because I haven't really tried red hair, I guess, before, and I'm a little nervous and I'm a little excited too at the same time. Yes, so I got 6 packs of this hair. I'm pretty positive that I'm probably not gonna use all of this at all, especially with my head being so freaking small. And then I got another rat tail comb, because my other one, sis, the little teeth coming out, and it's real janky, and I didn't want to like put that on camera as like gel wise, or I guess jam. I got the Hicks edges, well, yeah, Total Transformations Hicks edges. A lot of people say that this is really good. I tried it on my hair too, because this one, as you can see, they like take this crap to the max. But I do have this one, which is not empty at all. So yeah, so I have this one. So I'm definitely gonna use this one first. But because I didn't know how much I'm gonna use on my hair, I just got a second one just in case. So then I can have it. I also got some duck clips, just because I don't have any good ones like this one. Other than that, sis, like, that's really all I'm gonna be using. Let's get into this video. So y'all already know that I had to switch it to a voiceover because I can't focus and try to do 2 things at once. So that's why it's a voiceover right now. I am now starting at the front of my hair, because in the back of my hair it was a little bit hard to record. So, you know, I was like, you know what, I'm just going to record this
when it is in the front, so you guys will be able to see it a little bit better. But right now, yep, just parting and inserting in one strand of hair little by little. It's really hard for me to explain, so I'm not, like I said, this is not a tutorial, so I'm not even going to try to explain it. I'm gonna just let y'all see. And another thing with knotless braids is that you are supposed to be able to flip your hair around and pull it up into a ponytail however you want it to be and stuff like that. So, and I would say they're pretty good with that. You're gonna see me in literally like 3 different outfits because it took me 3 different days to do this, so leave me alone. But yeah, I'm like currently at my boyfriend's house at the moment. Excuse my boyfriend, he was all in the camera. He was trying to see if it was like recording, if it was on. I guess he didn't believe me that it was on, but it was on and I'm literally keeping it. So yeah. So now I am back at my house and I'm getting ready to dip my hair. I probably kept it like this for, I believe, for a night just because I didn't have time to dip it. Like, I had to go watch my sister and I had to do all this stuff for her birthday, so I had to leave it overnight like how it is. It doesn't look bad at all, but it was like, I would say not heavy, but I don't know, it just didn't feel as light as I liked it. So I decided to dip it. So right now I'm just braiding down my hair, and I believed I braided it into 5 different sections, and then I'm going to dip it in hot water, and yeah, you're gonna see that it's gonna come out curly at the end. Because I like for it to be curly. I'm not really a fan of like just straight hair, and if I am, like, I feel like I won't leave it out that long. So what I'm doing here right now before I actually start to dip my hair is that I am cutting it right now, just to make sure that everything is like the same length, and yeah. Okay, so I didn't have time to actually show you physically what the takedown was with my braids after because I was running late for work, but this is how long it is, the color, and other than that is really all. And just remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can get notifications when I post. And also follow me on my socials, especially TikTok. But yeah, other than that, everybody have a good day, and thanks for coming to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.